June is a busy month in Kodiak, Alaska. Schools let out early, which triggers a flurry of activity as commercial fishermen mend nets and prepare their boats to fish for salmon. In the scramble to get things done, many fishermen gardeners end up throwing the garden in by hurriedly transplanting seedlings that might not be ready or hardened off, or quickly tossing potatoes in a bucket, followed by a handful of soil and a prayer. Once the garden is in, plants are then on their own for weeks, maybe months, until the end of the summer. Now, is being in a hurry the best way to tend a garden? Probably not. But getting the job done is better than getting it perfect. Here's an example. A couple years ago, I set out to create a video about our summer garden in Alaska. I struggled from the very beginning. First, the gadget I bought to stabilize my camera was really hard to control. I also failed to take into account the harsh June light in the land of the midnight sun. In spite of the hurdles, I kept trying. My garden tour video wasn't about winning an Oscar, but about sharing my passion for gardening and connecting with others. Even when we face challenges, we need to choose to keep moving forward. And not just to keep moving forward, but to dedicate your work and everything you do to God, with the promise that Spirit will guide and bless your plans. As it says in Proverbs 16:3, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. So if you're beginning your journey into gardening, or if doubts about achieving the perfect garden is stressing you out, the goal isn't to produce a flawless masterpiece, but to pour your heart and soul into something you truly love. That's when the magic happens. That's when done truly shines brighter than perfect. Thanks for being here. Keep your hands in the dirt and your eyes on the stars. I'll see you in the garden. Cheers! And one more thing before the wind kicks up and the rain, well, it's already started. I just wanted to share with you, if you found this video inspiring or helpful, then please share it with someone you think might enjoy it as well. So, again, cheers.